Good morning, guys, and happy Monday. I wanted to talk to you for just a few minutes. You may have already heard about it, but just in case you haven't, I wanted you to hear it from me, and I wanted you to hear it in person. I didn't want to just type it into our morning announcements because that's bigger than that. It's more important than that. So over the weekend on Saturday, Governor DeSantis, the governor of Florida, he announced that all Florida school buildings will remain closed for the rest of the year. That does not mean we're done with school. It just means that we are not going to be going back to school, to our classroom this year. I'm heartbroken to know that I'm not going to be seeing you again this year. However, I know that it's for a good reason. So 27 other states have already called the year. They've done the same thing that Florida's doing, where they're either distance learning or they're figuring something out. Some places are sending out packets and things like that, but they're making it work as well as they can with the circumstances and with the tools that they've been given. So we're going to continue this online learning for the rest of the school year. As sad as I am about that, and as heartbroken as I am that I won't be seeing your faces in person for some time, I know that it is important, and I understand why they're doing it. And in fact, many teachers, when they were discussing whether or not we should go back, as much as we desperately want to see our students and we want to be back in the classroom, we know that it's not time. With the status of the coronavirus, with where things are right now, it would not be safe, and it would be really foolish to go back right now and put students and families and teachers and all the staff and everyone involved in running a school to put them at risk unnecessarily. So I'm going to give you some statistics just on Florida right now so that you kind of understand also why we're doing this. So right now, the Florida Department of Health reports 25,000 cases of coronavirus just in our state, so just in Florida, and 740 deaths. So again, I'm not telling you these things to scare you. That defeats the purpose, and that's not productive. I'm telling you this because I respect you as people, and I believe that you should be informed, and I believe that information can help you as you process this news of how we're not returning to the classroom. So just understand that that decision that has been made has not been made lightly. There have been many people, many experts, and political figures and teachers and so many people involved in making that decision, and that obviously all of us want to go back to school, but we're not going to do that when we're not ready, when the virus is still is still out there to the extent that it is. So I love you guys, and I hope you guys are doing well, and know that I'm available if you just need to talk about this or to talk about something else, or if you just need some help with academics. And on that note, knowing that this is how we're going to be doing it for the rest of the year kind of adds some importance to the work that we are doing online. So I'm going to start kind of following through a little bit more on missing assignments, missing work, because I care a lot about your education, and I don't want you to fall behind. I don't want you to lose the skills that we've worked so hard this year to strengthen for you. So I want you to understand that especially knowing that we're not going to go back into the classroom and have that chance to work on those skills there, that it's extra important that we do this work online, that we do this work and give it our best effort. And I'm here for those technical issues. If there's something you need help with, please let me know. If you want to talk to Miss Burns or Miss Royal or anyone else, I can of course put you in contact with them. I'm pretty sure they've already reached out to you guys anyway. But all right, well, there it is. And I hope you guys stay happy, and I hope you guys stay healthy. And I really hope that you guys can join us for some of those live meetings so that we can talk to each other in real time. So, all right. I love you. Stay safe. Bye.